Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Real quick, I am getting ready to walk into Old Schubox here in Batesville, Indiana for their Christmas open house. I'm super excited to show you everything they have. So stay tuned and let's go shopping. And it's been a few hours since I've been shopping at the Old Schubox, and I want to show you really quick what I purchased. I have some favorites, of course. This rocking horse is definitely a favorite. It is adorable. Absolutely adorable. Can't wait to style it. I'm probably going to style it on top of some books. Look at the face. So cute. Okay, that's one thing. And then I always have to buy a new dish towel from there. And this is the one that I bought for this year. I like the vintage Santa face. The rosy cheeks and the nose. So cute. That. And then look at this. This little mouse. Is it not the cutest you've ever seen? I hope you guys can see this. It is almost midnight and I am taping this so I can get the video done and posted. But look at that. Isn't that adorable? Good little face. So cute. So cute. And then just a couple more things. So you guys know how I love the framed art pieces that she carries. So this is part of the Christmas. This is Santa. I love it. I love the little vintage look to it. It's a darker, moodier. Love it. And then we had to get a Rudolph because why not? So cute. And then the last one is this Christmas tree. Love it, love it. So that is all that I bought today. It was a very busy store, and I'll go back the next couple of weeks just to make sure I didn't miss anything that I wanted. But thanks so much for watching and joining me today as we visited the Old Schubox in Batesville, Indiana. I am super excited to start decorating for Christmas. However, we celebrate Thanksgiving at my house, so I really don't want a tree yet for that. So after we eat dinner on Thanksgiving, the tree and decorating starts. So make sure you stay tuned. I may start decorating next week in our bedroom. So that will probably be the first Christmas video, and that will be next week. So stay tuned. Make sure you subscribe and give me a big thumbs up if you enjoyed today's video. Thanks for joining me today. Have a great night, and I'm going to bed. Bye.